Technological anxiety of older adults in seeking medical attention, concept, current status, and influencing factors. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The combination of the internet and health management services has improved the efficiency of medical work, but it has also brought increasing anxiety about medical technology to people, especially to the elderly with low educational level and cognitive ability. The objective of the study is to understand the current situation, causes, and main influencing factors of medical technology anxiety among the elderly. The literature retrieval method was used to review empirical papers published in English or Chinese in the past 20 years in PubMed, Google Scholar, CNKI, and the OneFang database. 35 articles were included. The medical technology anxiety of the elderly is significantly higher than those of other age groups, and the direct cause is the low digital skills of the elderly. This situation is influenced by multiple factors in multiple systems, including individuals, families, communities, and society, and the factors of each system are intertwined and work together. Technological anxiety in seeking medical attention hinders the elderly from obtaining healthcare services through digital health technology. However, related research is still in its infancy, and there is an urgent need for in-depth research on the influencing factors, mechanisms, intervention pathways, and implementation techniques of technological anxiety in elderly medical care. Introduction. With the rise of the internet and digital health technologies, people now have easier access to medical advice, health data tracking, and online health products through smart medical platforms. These Internet Plus health services help improve healthcare efficiency, doctor-patient communication, and access to personalized health information. However, despite these benefits, not everyone finds these technologies easy to use, especially older adults. Many seniors, particularly those over 70, struggle with smartphones, apps, and online systems due to lower education levels and declining physical and mental abilities. This often leads to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and helplessness when trying to use digital health services. This technological anxiety can prevent elderly people from benefiting fully from modern healthcare solutions. By understanding what causes this anxiety, we can better tailor digital tools and support services to meet the unique needs of older adults, helping them stay healthier and more connected in today's digital world. Conclusion. Many studies have looked into why older adults feel anxious when using technology to get medical help. These studies have explored a wide range of factors, from personal traits to broader social influences, and have helped shape policies and support services for the elderly. However, there are still gaps in our understanding. One issue is that researchers often confuse technology anxiety with computer anxiety. While related, technology anxiety is a broader term that covers more than just computers. Another problem is that most research relies on one-time surveys and simple comparisons, which can show links between anxiety and certain factors but can't explain how or why those factors cause anxiety. Lastly, most of the focus has been on numbers and statistics, with little effort to include people's personal experiences and stories. To truly help older adults, future research should better define key terms, use methods that show cause and effect, and combine numbers with real-life perspectives. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.